Ready to wake up with flawless skin? You can make all your pimples disappear. This magical treatment fights acne breakouts and skin irritations. So remember to save the recipe so you don't lose it. First up, take 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is known for its soothing properties and is perfect for calming irritated skin. Add a pinch of turmeric for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. Now, introducing the secret weapon, vitamin E oil. Squeeze in a capsule or use the oil directly. It's a skin superhero promoting healing and fighting off blemishes. Lastly, add a dollop of milk cream. This will add that extra touch of moisture, leaving your skin feeling silky smooth. Mix it all up until you get a creamy consistency. Trust me, your skin is going to thank you for this. Take a cotton swab and apply it to your pimples and all problematic areas. Apply 4 to 5 layers for your skin to absorb it well. Leave it on for as long as possible, and you'll see your pimples disappear rapidly. If you like this recipe, check my profile to learn more about natural remedies. Please comment, thank you, to support my work, and let me know which recipe you'd like to see next.